Hi, so today I want to make a video in supporting the 5 elements. The 5 elements are the wood element, the fire element, the earth element, the metal element, and the water element. And you can represent them on your hands, and we can do little hand mudras by touching different fingers with the thumb to support that. So we're going to do an exercise called pulling the Gossamer's thread, working with those ideas. So we're going to work with the hand mudras to support the 5 elements. So let's begin. Bring your awareness to your posture. Let yourself be nice and upright. Feet are about shoulder width apart. You imagine your shoulders fitting right between your big toes. Knees are slightly bent. Spine's nice and long. Good, and we're going to create a little flow with the arms. So we'll start with the first mudra, which is thumbs and index fingers. Let's touch them together. Let's inhale, float them up in front of you and pull them in. Inhale, good. Now let's exhale as we touch the middle finger and the thumb, and we'll exhale, push the hands out. Now let's inhale as we touch the ring finger and the tip of the thumb, and bring it back in as the inhale. Now touch your little finger with your thumb and go out to the side. Now bring all your fingers together with your thumb and inhale, bring it all the way back in. Open up the hands and let's bring energy down through the head and the heart and the belly. The upper, middle, and lower energy center called the danshens. So once again, thumbs and index fingers, inhale. Now touch the middle finger, exhale. Now touch the ring finger, inhale. Now touch the little finger and go out to the side, exhale. Inhale, touch all the fingers with the thumb and come back in. Open up the hand, exhale, coming down through the center of the body, filling yourself up. So the 5 elements, here we go. Index finger and thumb, that's the wood element. And now we're going to touch the middle finger, that's the fire element. And then we're going to touch the ring finger, that's the metal element. And then we're going to touch the little finger, that's the water element. All the fingers grabbing the energy of the earth and bringing it down through the body to ground it into the earth. Good. Inhale, index finger. Exhale, middle finger. Inhale, ring finger. Exhale, little finger. Inhale, all the fingers. Exhale, open the hands and bring energy through the head, heart, and belly. Let's do that a couple more times. Index finger, inhale. Bring it up and in. Exhale, middle finger. Inhale, ring finger. Exhale, little finger. Inhale, all the fingers together. Exhale, filling the upper, middle, and lower danshens with qi. And really getting a sense of rooting that in the earth. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And let's do one more time with the elements. So this is the wood element. This is the fire element. This is the metal element. This is the water element. This is the earth element. And then ground it all the way down through the body. Good, and let your hands just kind of rest here at the navel. Take a few nice deep breaths. Helping all these elements, which help the organs, which help all the systems, which help your emotions, which help your mental processes. So let's do a little lock in with 9 little rubs of the abdomen here. Whatever way you want to start, and then do 9 more in the opposite. Just a symbol of keeping in that qi, keeping those elements nice and strong. So I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.